Today we're going to install DuraSeal garage door jam seal. DuraSeal is very easy to install and it's a great way to keep weather, pests, dirt, and debris out of your garage. It's made in the USA from a high quality vinyl that it looks like wood, but it lasts much longer. So let's go ahead and get started. To install DuraSeal, you'll need the following tools: a hacksaw, a hammer, a pencil, scissors, and a tape measure. Also optional are a 1/16 inch drill bit, an electric drill, and a combination or a T-square. We also recommend installing DuraSeal with 2 people. Before you install, remove the DuraSeal from the box and let the coil relax for 2 hours. Place a weight at one end of the coil, then uncoil it and weigh down the other end. Let sit in temperatures of 50 degrees Fahrenheit plus for 24 hours with the weights on. Sunshine will help with this step. This allows the DuraSeal to relax so it's easier to handle when installing. Step 1. Remove any old or existing weather stripping or jam seal. Step 2. Measure the width of the garage door header. Step 3. Mark the header measurement from step 2 onto the DuraSeal. A pro tip: use a combination or a T-square to make a straight line guide for cutting. Step 4. Using the hacksaw, cut along the marked line from step 3. Use the scissors to cut the flexible fin. Step 5. Utilize the dimpled holes in the DuraSeal to tap the nails in. Tap the nails in enough so they stay in place. Do not use a lot of force in this step. Optional here, you can also pre-drill these dimples with a 1/16 inch drill bit. Step 6. Install header DuraSeal piece starting at one end. When installing DuraSeal, make sure the flexible fin rests on the garage door to seal any gap. This is how final installation should look. Pro tip: do not sink the nails fully. Not all garage doors are perfectly straight. Leaving the nails partially sunk allows for easy removal if the piece is too long. Do not force the DuraSeal into place. If it does not fit, remove and trim to exact fit, then sink nails fully. Step 7. Measure the vertical jamb. Step 8. Mark the measurement from step 7 onto the DuraSeal. Use a combination square if you'd like. Step 9. Cut along the marked line from step 8. Step 10. Trim the flexible fin at the top of the vertical piece at a 45-degree angle. Make sure to trim only the top of the vertical piece. This is how the final look of the 45-degree cut should be. Step 11. Install the vertical piece. Step 12. Measure the other vertical jamb. Step 13. Mark the measurement from step 12. Step 14. Cut along the marked line from step 13. Step 15. Trim the flexible fin at the top of the vertical piece at a 45-degree angle. Step 16. Install the final vertical piece. And we're done. Our garage is now sealed up and ready to take on the elements. Thanks for watching and good luck with your next project.